to me. If you not plan to him blood clot, if you know, him living a blood clot cave.
Oh.
Which part of the house are we paying? Now we can't go to the shop.
Well, when I am, you know, where the GLP can, at the part the GLP conscience, man. The first turning, man.
But that,
in the right.
Which community?
Well, not independent.
Independent city.
Yeah, in the right, team of the right at the corner. Listening. They have a big brother. No, they something the house. They have a candy right there. And during them time they run, now work, now feel pain. And this time now pain, you know, that's my time. If you lie, you will star. And that's yes, right. I even look. Dada, give me the money. When me work, I even look for me as a painter. But lie down. You feel pain. You feel pain, no. You feel pain. Last week, with him friend said, team friend, they recommend me to him. When this him friend said, painter, you see, you know, because young time, you know, and I mean, recommend you to the man, you know. I said, alright, but here, but a place now, I even know say he was a deportee, you know. If I did, you say he was a deportee. I know work to him, you know. Because then come back, don't you know, to come to right blood clot people, and make it work for them for nothing.
My deportee?
Yes, man.
A germs, man.
MP, man.
Where the pussy come from?
Brother independence, man. Dada.
I'm not here.
Hear me say. Hear me, no man. Hear me, no man. Last year.
Police know about it?
No, man. Because they go slow.
No, man, you got too slow, man.
Hear me, no man. Dada. You hear this? Dada. Listen me, no man. Dada. Listen me, no man. Last week, missing friend. And his friend said, he must keep something and yard at that day. The church friend and said, Tyler, tell T said, not your smart. Turn you come leave because I'm sick. When him go, when the virgin go to him, he might tell him and have kind of argument, and I tell him and say, he might work to give him too. So but they say, you can't give me work. And you pay people when you work. Dada. You hear me? My friend said, painter, go to the Bridgeport police and my son. Yeah, go see. I said, no court off me. And the court off thing.
You burn out court.
Dada.
You deal with bomb class court.
No, Dada. The man will look for me and say, painter, just I'm rough, you know, but if I want 3 grand, I want 2 grand. What?
So you know the son and them thing there?
Eh?
You know the son, big son, you can go with you around.
Dada. You Lord carry my thing, you know. You hear me? But you're 62. I mean, I'm going to work on a gun man to be charged blood clot murder to work. Get you up me?
Yeah, you're not there on that.
No. Let me say, Dada, the man that deals with me like that blood clot, he that man.
You know you're a gorilla.
Hey, me have a protein for that black blood clot accident. But me say, the good lad, I said, don't bone him up, you know, because to the end, then get blood clot wrong. When you're right. See? Dada. The morning when me go.
Yeah, hear me?
Yes.
Ready to keep it, my advice.
Yes, brother. Yeah, man, that big
Alright,
man.
here we go.
I respect you, man.
62, you're 62 right now. You can't go to jail, in a jail.
That man.
Go to the police station. Report what happened. Ask them for assistance to go to the house of your paint and speak with the man and see how them can make amends.
Yes.
You need to go and explain to them what happened to you and from when the man owe you and don't want to pay you before you try to do nothing and lose your right.
Listen now. I have a big man friend when they came to the ground here. You see, when me done the work, the big man look for me and say, painter, he say, through him work you and don't want to pay you, I go and go in my pocket and give $2,000 dollar. He said, no, 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 no. Dada. Dad. You never hurt me.
Hello?
The earner we have.
Sure, I'm not here work to you know. It's my time, you know. That's guy. Lie down in his mouth. And the floor. Who are you?
Huh?
How old your ball?
Sometimes I must say painter.
No, you don't know what. You never there, you know.
How much girl have paint your paint out?
Eh?
Me and him not get to stop
Yo.
chat yet. But a good thing for you.
Paint inside out.
I some green man.
Some
Some bra. If you ever see them out,
How much money you charging for
when
the
you
work?
tell him what idea you have for me.
How much him give you already?
me
I
take
got you.
1,000 one
Right
week
there,
both
there.
here. Because you are independent city and you are
Me I say what
Say who you how much now?
13,000.
Charge 15. It take 1,000.
2,000 man.
It take 2,000.
Yeah, yeah, both here. And him say must wait for him the Christmas when him sick and send down some money.
So how long you more you know?
From November gone,
And I when now?
June, next week of July. And his friend, me see friend,
How much month that now? Around
in a 8 month man.
8 fucking
And he
months.
wait. And the man about you, from me and tell me that Christmas gone, him flat up and he sending money for him house. That's my deal. And his shirt dirty and him pants dirty. Hey,
You know
Dada,
what that means?
you don't know. You don't know.